name is Jeremiah Kiplangat. I'm 26 years old and I'm a student at Kenya Medical Training College. My home area is Narok County, Narok South constituency. Me myself, I come from a single mother. Shortly, to tell you the truth, my mom divorced when immediately I was born. Because of the way I am, that is my nature. My father thought I was, my mother had been cast, and she threw her away from their home. And after that, we came to my grandmother, that is my mother's mother. And we stayed there for some time before we were thrown away by my uncle. And we went and we lived as squatters in Masai land, where I was brought up to this, where I know up to this moment. So after that, my mom became discouraged and she became alcoholic, and she did not mind about us. We passed a lot of problems. And because after some time I thought I loved school anyway, I wanted to be in school, I went somewhere. I was employed as a herdsman, and I stayed in that family for 3 years. And I went back to school, to primary school. With all those challenges, I was able to complete my primary school, and I went to secondary school. My friends who saw my effort assisted me until I completed my high school. After my high school, I did business for 3 years, paying back my balance, and I was given my certificate. I applied for KMTC, Embu, for nursing, and I was enrolled in 2011. Since I was enrolled in 2011, I did not have anybody to support me with school fees now, because I was at a higher level where fees is more, and my mom has nothing to do with me. She had no job, and I thought so much on how to complete school, because I was determined that if I have gotten that course, I will complete my school. So that's when I went to website. I tried looking for some organization where they could sponsor me. I applied many, and later on I was called by KCDF that USAID, which I had requested for help, had delivered my request to them. And from then I became a KCDF member, and I was given scholarship. Since people like us, people with albinism, do have a lot of problems, that is with the sun, with the eyes, with the community, with the schooling, I decided that I will take that commitment to be visiting them in school, to be educating the community about the people with albinism, that they are able, they are just like any other people. So that is the commitment I've been having in Embu County, and in Narok. I've combined Narok and Bomet because they have given me that coordination work. And so far I've been impressed with KCDF, because what they give me, I budget so that I get few amount to carry out my commitment. Another thing that KCDF has done me proud is giving me my mentor, who is Maurice Odhiambo Kachenjo, corporate manager at Total Kenya. This mentor has given me a lot of strength. Since now I don't have a father, he has acted like my father, because he always calls me to confirm how I am going through. He always encouraged me that the life is just like that, you will be okay after working hard. He has introduced me to his family, friendly. They are very friendly. I feel like I am in the family now. And he has given me a lot of support in anything I want to ask. I ask him and he answers me well. We communicate every time where necessary. He has given me a lot of thoughts. He has encouraged me to be a leader. That is, he encourages me that I should be courageous, I should be focused in what I do, I should carry out one activity at a time perfectly. That is what he has done to me. He gives me all support I need. I know if I call at any time, at any moment, he gives me what I need to know. That is the greatest thing that KCDF has done to me. The important thing about linking men to a mentor is, you know, there are many things that men do not say. There are many things that they keep silent about it because they don't want maybe to be seen as weak people, or they don't have anybody to tell. So the important thing with mentors is that when I have my mentor, I'm confident. Even what I will not tell the office, I tell my mentor. That is, if I have any issue to share, I share with my mentor first before any other person. He gives me the guidance on how to go about this problem or how to go about what I want. And that one, it gives me confidence that I will tell him anything I need to know. And he gives guidance also, or she gives guidance to these people. So the most important thing is when you have somebody to tell something,